babies. Hey, my babies. You are somebody's baby, okay? Because I never started reading like this. But, I was called to call you my babies, okay? And I am a Capricorn, alright? For some of you, you are dealing with a Capricorn or someone who has heavy Saturn placements, okay? I'm gonna give you guys a mini money reading today. Let's see. You check your horoscope a lot, okay? Or somebody else is checking your horoscope. For some of you, you like to look at the birds, or there's something about the birds telling you something or giving you some type of signs. Please take heed, okay? My cards got all like discombobulated. That's a omen. For some of you guys, you're getting annoyed because I'm getting like pissed off about my cards flying like that. Okay, you getting irritated because something is like being blown away or something like that. I don't know. Could be dealing with the air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Okay, an air sign could be making you mad. It's the sun, like the heat could be outside making you mad. I'm gonna read these in the upright. Some of them are backwards, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this for you. What we got for my Aries here, okay? The overall energy, please, for this mini money reading here. Something that I heard is your love life is healing after you broke up with somebody from your past. Could be the Lover's card, the Sun card, and I pick up on the Knight of Cups or either the Page of Cups, okay? Also, a lot of y'all could be seeing 555 a lot. There's some type of change. You've changed a lot. You've conquered a lot. Mars is like heavy air energy in your life right now, making you change. Also, somebody is lame. You think somebody is lame or something like that, okay? You're also thinking about your peace, the Six of Swords. For some of you like ice cream. There's something about peaches, fruits, or some type of ice cream, okay? Also, slushies. What we got here, please, for my Aries, the overall energy, please, for this money reading. What we got for Aries, the overall energy for this money reading, please. Jealousy and envy. Oh. Jealousy and envy. Taurus. We have marriage, okay? We have fresh start. Jupiter is here to help you expand, and we have opposition. I also just heard of jealousy. Jealousy could be coming here from a Taurus about a marriage proposal. It is. It's coming quick. 5 of Wands, okay? Aries energy here in this reading. What's your energy, please? They act like they don't care, but they do. You're acting like you don't care about something, but you do. Could be a Taurus. They act like they don't care, but they do. Messy drama. Oh, messy drama. We have stalker. I heard you act like you don't care about something that's drama-fied, but you do. You watch everything. It's something to do with a Taurus Well, this person has Taurus somewhere in their chart. The person or situation that you're dealing with here, Aries, mad, okay? It's gonna say there's something about being pissed off. Third party. Birds, I cannot make this up. The birds, okay? The birds are the word. They're giving you signs, okay? Birds. This person or this situation, whoever this is, okay? Waste of time. Lurking on your social media, okay? Birds here. Handsome man. I heard a third party is in your business. The birds. The birds are trying to tell you about this person, okay? Heavy Taurus energy. The outcome. For some of y'all like the sound of the wind chimes in my background. They calm you. For some of you, if you don't have wind chimes at your home, you should try incorporating that in your space or listening to that as you go to sleep at night. The outcome for my Aries. We have peace. As I say, there's something here about your peace as well. Peace. Six of Swords energy. Phone call. We have job interview, okay? For some of y'all gonna be relaxed. You're gonna be calm. You finna get a phone call about an interview. You could have been worrying about that, about a job, or it's about a job. I heard you're gonna feel calm after you get a phone call telling you to come to work. Okay, we have secrets, seeing butterflies. Something or someone from your past is coming back, okay? I'm gonna pull a couple of cards for you and then end this, okay? What we got for my Aries to end this reading? Aries, please, to end this reading. Eight of Cups. The Moon. Secrets. The Moon. The Queen of Pentacles. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, okay? You could have walked away from whoever this is that's hiding something. Okay, are you keeping somebody a secret? Some type of change and transformation is gonna come here after you walked away from something, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it there. Give it a like, a thumbs up. Bye.